Presenting the trophies for the PMPC is Benny and Diane. Presenting the trophies for the PMPC is Benny and Diane.
Sabi di ba, host? Ako na lang pala mag-isa to. Ito ba? Hello. Ayan, magandang gabi! Oh, class to the G! Nanalong TVV! Pero in behalf of Ate Bianca, Melay, Enchong, Robbie, Alexa, maraming salamat po for always supporting Pinoy Big Brother. Ito po talaga ang kwento ng totoong buhay and we're very thankful sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa amin. Lalo na't may bago kaming bahay na nasa GMA 7 po ang PBB Collab. Kaya maraming salamat. More power po sa lahat ng sumusuporta, lalong-lalo na po kay Kuya. At sa lahat ng mga nangangarap sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Sa lahat ng kapamilya, kapuso, kapatid, kaibigan, kapitbahay, kalaro, kabarkada, at higit sa lahat, mga katelebisyon! Tama po, sa gabi ito, sama-sama po tayong mag-celebrate kasama ang Philippine Movie Press Club sa pagkilala sa Best of the Best programs ng 2024.
Makabuluhang gabi ito para sa industriya ng telebisyon. For us Filipinos, television is life. At sa gabi ito, buhay na buhay ang telebisyon sa puso ng bawat isa as we pay tribute to television excellence via the most durable and longest-lasting television awards in Philippine history. Welcome to the 38th PMPC Star Awards for Television.
Hello po.
Magandang po sa inyo lahat.
Good evening po.
Kimi, I love you!
Beth Helena Alan Samcon.
Jal, Betchelena.
Ano na sila?
Ando na.
Ano na yan?
Ano na?
Beth Helena Alan Samcon.
Ayaw na po yung ito.
Ay, pinag-sabihin ko kasi ako. Ano na pa rin na? Alan Samcon, Team Basil. Every day. Ay, kung kanal mo ba? Kanal mo ba ako?
Nasa loob.
Maraming salamat, Papa P. Napakabogi mo rin. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi sa'yo.
Yes, magandang gabi.
Alam mo, ang gabi nito, very nostalgic. Kasi parang sinadya na dito naganapin ang Star Awards sa isang theater named after one of the greatest icons of Philippine television and Philippine entertainment, none other than Tito Dolphy.
Yes, tama yan, Papa P. Agree ako 100%. At habang ibinibigay natin ang napakaraming Star Trophies sa mga best TV programs and performances of 2024, we are making way for more future TV icons from different genres and age.
Last March 15, PMPC has already announced the winners for several categories except for 7 categories including Best TV Station, Best Drama Actor, Best Drama Actress, Drama Supporting Actor and Actress, Male and Female TV Host.
Yes, kaya naman we have a lot to look forward to ngayong gabi. So palagay ko, Papa P, simulan na natin ang pag-award sa ating mga favorite TV programs.
Simulan na natin sa pinakabata, Best Children's Show and Best Children's Show Host. Sa mga kategorya nito, the winning program and the winning program host came from one educational, informative, engaging, and enjoyable children's show. And the stars for Best Children's Show and Best Children's Show hosts go to Talents Academy, IBC 13, and its hosts, Aljur, Anika, Ayesha, Nicole, Karamalizet, and
Okay
Isabel.
na, pinapapakit.
Presenting the trophies from the BNBC is Assistant Treasurer John Fontanilla.
Friend, tawagin mo kami pag kami na, ha?
Marcelita! Ate Cecil! Oh, suotin mo to para makapuna ka kay Kim Chiu. Oh.
Diyan pala yan.
Sino?
Sino nandyan pala? Sino?
Baby, taga dito yan.
Ikaw, hindi kita maintindihan kasi kasi bibigay sila ng
Dave! Sumama ka to. Wala ko eh. Kasi ba meron kanina binigyan
dapat
sa
alis na sila pagkatapos dami nila, oh. Dapat alis na sila pagkatapos.
Doon dami nila nakapasok.
Dami nila eh. Hindi best children sila.
Slogan James. Ano pa siya ang sasabihin?
Thank you for this another recognition. To our home network, IBC 13, thank you for always being there to support us. To the versatile and talented cast, this is for all of us. Maraming salamat.
I am truly honored to be standing here in front of you to receive this PNPC Star Awards as Best Children's Show. In behalf of the entire team, we would like to thank PNPC and everyone who supported us along the way. To IBC 13, our own network, to Direct June Miguel, all the families and the parents who trust our show, and our children who gives inspiration to everyone. Thank you so much. We promise to make more content that is more fun and meaningful. Once again, thank you so much, BNPC, and to everyone who supported us. On behalf of Talents Academy, we are beyond grateful and honored to receive this recognition for the 2020
Nagsasalita isa-isa.
This achievement is a result of teamwork, dedication, and passion. We would like to express our sincere thanks to Direct Miguel, Mama Andrea, Thank you, PNPC, for recognizing our hard work and passion.
Po sa lahat ng kapamilya, kapuso, kapatid, kaibigan, kapitbahay, kalaro, kabarkada, at higit sa lahat, mga katelebisyon! Tama po, sa gabi ito, sama-sama po tayong mag-celebrate kasama ang Philippine Movie Press Club sa pagkilala sa Best of the Best programs ng 2024.
Mga buluhang gabi ito para sa industriya ng telebisyon. For us Filipinos, television is life. At sa gabi nito, buhay na buhay ang telebisyon sa puso ng bawat isa as we pay tribute to television excellence via the most durable and longest-lasting television awards in Philippine history. Welcome to the 38th PNPC Star Awards for Television.